Do you know that cardiovascular diseases, including the heart attacks and strokes, are some of the leading causes of death worldwide? But what if I told you that you could protect your heart by making smarter choices about what you eat? Yes, today I'm going to uncover the 10 powerful vegetables that can help to clean your arteries, improve the blood flow, and potentially lower the risk of heart attack. Stick around to the end because the last one on the list might can surprise you. Let's first talk about why artery health is so important. Over time, due to poor lifestyle habits, a condition called as atherosclerosis can occur. Now, this is when the plaque buildups in your arteries, making it harder for the blood to flow and increase the risk of blockages. A heart attack happens when the blood flow in the plaque or in the heart is severely restricted because of the accumulation of plaque. Thankfully, nature has provided us with incredible foods that can naturally support our arteries. Let's jump straight into that list and talk about them one by one. The number one is the garlic. Garlic is just not a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a powerhouse for heart health. Garlic contains a compound called as allicin, which help reduce blood pressure and lower the bad cholesterol. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can prevent plaque buildup in arteries and improve your overall health. Number two is the spinach. Packed with nutrients, spinach helps relax and widen your blood vessels, improving circulation as well. It's also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, including spinach in your diet. Whether in salad, smoothie, or cooked dishes, it's a great step toward cleaning your arteries. Number three is the broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable loaded with a lot of antioxidants and vitamin K, which prevent calcium from depositing in your arteries. It's also high in fiber, helping lower cholesterol level naturally. Steamed or roasted broccoli is a heart healthy side dish that you would love. Number four is the tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in a powerful antioxidant which is called as lycopene, which reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative damage to the arteries. Studies suggest that eating tomatoes regularly can lower the bad cholesterol levels and increase the good cholesterol, supporting better arterial health. Number five is the asparagus. Yes, that's a natural artery cleaner. It contains very high level of glutathione, an antioxidant that help to reduce harmful inflammation and prevent the damage to the arterial walls. Additionally, it has natural diuretic properties, helping to lower the blood pressure by flushing excess salt from your body. The number six is the carrots. Yes, rich in beta carotene and fiber, carrots help lower cholesterol and reduce the plaque buildup. They also contain potassium, which help keep your blood pressure in check. Snack on raw carrots or include them in your meals to reap the benefits. Number seven is the beets. Beets are one of the best sources of nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound helps relax arteries and improve the blood flow. Beet juice, salad, roasted beets, they are the delicious ways to include this heart-friendly vegetable in your diet. Number 8 one is the cauliflower. It's another cruciferous vegetable that's great for your heart. It's packed with antioxidants and compounds like sulforaphane, which reduce inflammation and prevent the oxidative stress. Additionally, it's a great source of fiber, which can help to lower the cholesterol level. Number 9 is the kale. Now that's a superfood. For good reason, it's called a superfood. Yes, because it is rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and potassium, all of which contribute to heart health. It also contains lutein, which reduce arterial stiffness and prevent the plaque buildup. And the 10th one is the bell peppers. Yes. Last but not the least, bell peppers are colorful and nutrient-dense vegetables that support arterial health. They are rich in vitamin C, which act as a powerful antioxidant to prevent inflammation. Bell peppers also contain beta-carotene and potassium, both which are very beneficial for improving healthy blood vessels. Let's talk about the bonus tips for heart health. While including these vegetables in your diet is a very great step, remember that a holistic approach is a key. Combine a healthy diet with regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep to get the best results. Avoid processed food, trans fat, excessive sugar, as they contribute to the arterial plaque buildup a lot many times. So there you have it, the 10 incredible vegetables that I was going to share with you that is definitely going to keep your arteries clean and your heart healthy. The best part is that these are all easily available in the market and versatile ingredients which you can add to your daily meals. So which of these vegetables will you start including in your diet? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy tips and insight. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.